How do you start a brand new YouTube channel? Tips for absolute beginners that nobody really shares. So in today's video, I decided I wanted to start with the tips that nobody really shares and then move forward to the obvious ones like SEO and things like that would make your channel grow as a complete beginner. So the very first tip that I have for you starting a new YouTube channel is to find that little door in the search rankings that you can rank for, even if that will get you only 1,000 views, 2,000 views. The thing is that you will need to stand out with something, with one video, with multiple videos for your brand new channel to be found by people. And the best way to do that, besides promoting your videos outside of YouTube, is obviously posting videos that people will find that are unique and that can stand out in search, because if people find your video in search, they'll find your channel, they'll subscribe, and this is how your channel will grow. But you will need to find that little door in search that will allow you to grow your channel as a complete beginner and to be found. The next tip that I have for you if you're starting a brand new YouTube channel is to start with not so popular content, but content that is still searched for. So you will need to start your channel with videos that people do want to see, but don't start with the most popular ones, because that will give you a lot of competition that you're just not ready to compete with as you are a complete beginner. So you will need to find those topics for videos and those video content ideas that will help you stand out in search and that will help people find your channel, but you don't want to compete with the ones that have millions of views, 100,000 views and more, because those will not allow you to stand out because you're a small channel and you don't have the views and the subscribers yet. Try creating videos that you know of, that people need, and that will solve people's problems that not many people have created videos about. This is what I did with my Instagram shopping video on my channel about social media marketing and online business, and at the time a lot of people were searching for the topic of Instagram shopping, but there weren't many videos on YouTube about it. So I could have said there's no competition, but there's also not people interested in the topic. I could have said that and not create that video, but because I noticed there was a problem that needed fixing and that people needed a clear solution for it, I decided to make a video on it, and it was successful for me. So even if the exact topic of the video is not popular, try finding video ideas around topics that are. For example, Instagram marketing was very popular and Instagram shopping was a new feature that not many people were talking about, but it was still about Instagram, a platform that a lot of people were using and researching how to grow on. So if you try and find those video topics that will get you up top with your unique ideas and with helping others, that is exactly what will help you stand out in search and grow your channel. The next thing you will need to do is to outdo your competition. Don't try and outdo them maybe in quality of equipment. Maybe you don't have the money to do that yet as you've just started out, but try and outdo them with the ideas and the information that they offer. If you watch videos on Instagram marketing, for example, and you see them offering a few ideas here and there, you have more information to give on that topic, make sure to do your research and outdo your competition in your content and in obviously the quality of your content as well, but try and outdo them in the information and the value you offer to your audience. And now onto the most obvious ones and the more obvious things that you need to do to grow your channel. You need to research your title and to use long tail keywords in your title, because that will allow you to stand out in search. I use TubeBuddy for that, and as I've mentioned in other videos, I try and look at the keyword score and I try writing a title that I think would be fitted for my video and the size of my channel, because they offer you that keyword score based on your ability to perform in that topic. So I take a look at that, and based on the keyword score, I write different keywords in the title, and I try and rank for the keywords that are not so popular, but that also don't have many search results in the search bar. Because if there are millions of search results, my video will get lost in that pool of content and I won't have a chance to stand out. But if there are only a few thousands, a few 100,000 search results, I have a chance with my new channel and my new video to stand out in search. And obviously then you will need to optimize your videos for SEO. You will need to think about your description, titles and tags, about your thumbnails and channel art, the whole branding of your channel, being consistent with your content, and so these are tips that I share in a few other videos more in depth, so if you want to watch them, make sure to click the link below. Now, what do you actually have to do to grow your brand new channel is to try different things for your channel. you are a new channel, you haven't been doing YouTube before, and even if you have, this is a new channel, you're experimenting with a new topic. So try out different ideas, but again, make sure they're popular, they're searched for, and they're not very competitive. As you go along and you see that content is working on your account and some videos get a lot more traction than others, make sure to create more of that content because that will help you grow your channel even more. You can also try expanding your niche by creating other videos on topics similar to the main niche of your channel, and by doing all these things, I'm sure you'll be able to grow your YouTube channel. Remember, YouTube is a long game, but if you're consistent and you put in the effort, it shouldn't be that long. It shouldn't take you years to make money off of YouTube if you use the right strategies. So if you want to learn more about making money on YouTube and how to grow a successful YouTube channel that also makes you money, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and to be notified, don't forget to click the bell. You can also follow me on Instagram right here, on TikTok in the description below, and I will see you in my next video.